Hello, I'm Krishnan, CEO of Zentron Labs. Welcome to Farming Now. This is a machine that does optical gauging, optical measurements of small parts. Why is this needed? Because today India is manufacturing precise parts, precision parts with various types of manufacturing methods, forming methods. For example, we just had a customer which does metal injection molding. We have a lot of customers who use stamping and precision stamping, turned parts, CNC machined parts, even molded parts, various types of processes which make small parts for various types of industries like automotive, consumer, telecommunications, for connectors. Various types of parts require small parts which require precision. Now, India is coming onto the stage where precision is required, not just bulk or cost. So, to be able to ensure quality to their customers, every one of the manufacturers have to make precise measurements of the parts, both in production as well as for quality checks, regular quality checks, as well as during the initial new product development. That's where this instant measurement, intelligent measurement system, IMM, comes into picture here. This machine has been completely designed and developed from India, for India and the world by the team at Zentron, completely indigenously in all aspects. The various aspects of this machine that we have carefully paid attention to, starting with precision, the choice of the alloy, the design, the build quality, even the noise and the vibrations. We've paid very special attention to it. But even aesthetics, which normally gets missed out, we have paid a lot of attention to it. For example, you cannot find a screw here, yet it's a very rigid body. It's highly serviceable, maintainable, manufacturable, and for the user, very easy to use with a software that is highly configurable. And this, many customers appreciate the speed at which it gives results. When you press the button, it instantly gives the results. All the measurements are given instantly, and the configurability is also great. It is easy for a quality team or even the operator, a knowledgeable operator can qualify it. The key aspect of this is it brings independence from the operator who's operating a machine. Independent of who's operating a machine, it gives the same result. So that gives us reproducibility for the users.